When you search for the best cage for your ball python, everything looks the exact same. Same features, same flashy claims. But to understand what actually keeps your pet happy and healthy, you have to dig a little deeper. Product number 1, REARA Coconut Chips Substrate. First up is the REARA 2-pack Natural Coconut Chip Substrate, priced at just $12.34. This caught my eye because it promises a cozy, natural habitat for your ball python. If you want to give your snake a comfortable and safe environment, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. These coconut chips are soft and allow your snake to burrow, creating a natural setting. The substrate also helps maintain humidity, which is crucial for your python's health. It can expand to several times its original size with just a bit of water, meaning you won't run out quickly. Plus, it absorbs odors effectively, keeping your pet's home fresh and clean, which is something every snake owner can appreciate. Now, some people complained about the initial smell when you first open the package. Here's the thing though, it fades quickly, and honestly, it's a small price to pay for a product that keeps your snake comfortable and healthy. This is perfect for you if you want an easy-to-use substrate that mimics a natural environment for your ball python. Skip this one if you prefer traditional bedding or are concerned about any initial odors. For under $13, it's a solid investment. Now, if the odor issue bothered you, the next product on the list takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Meffin Reptile Plants. Next up, we have a Meffin Reptile Plants for $18.99. This caught my attention because of its potential to beautify your tank and provide enrichment for your ball python. If you want to enhance your snake's habitat and give it a more natural feel, this is definitely worth a look. These artificial plants are not just for show. They're designed to provide climbing opportunities and hiding spots for your python, which is essential for their well-being. The included suction cups make installation a breeze, and the materials are non-toxic, so there's no need to worry about your pet's safety. Plus, the flexibility of these vines allows for a customized setup that can adapt as your snake grows. With a solid 4.2-star rating from over 600 reviews, it seems to do its job well. Now, some users mentioned that the plants might not look incredibly realistic. I'll be real with you. It's true, but they serve their purpose of providing enrichment. If you're purely after aesthetics, this might not be for you. This is perfect for you if you want to create a decorative yet functional habitat for your ball python. Skip this one if you're looking for something that looks 100% natural. At $18.99, it offers good value for the purposes it serves. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for monitoring your snake's environment. Product number 3, Shrezin Reptile Thermometer and Humidity Gauge. The third product is the Shrezin Reptile Thermometer and Humidity Gauge, priced at just $9.99. This caught my eye because keeping tabs on temperature and humidity is crucial for your ball python's health. If you want peace of mind knowing your pet's environment is just right, you need to check this out. This digital thermometer is simple to use and displays accurate readings for both temperature and humidity. With a range from -58 degrees Fahrenheit to plus 158 degrees Fahrenheit and humidity levels from 10% to 99%, it covers all the bases for a ball python's needs. The fast response time of just 5 seconds means you won't miss any fluctuations that could affect your pet's health. Plus, with over 2,100 reviews and a 4.4-star rating, it's clear that many find it reliable. Some people noted that the battery life could be better, lasting about 90 days. Here's the thing though, it's easy enough to replace, and the accuracy it provides is well worth that small inconvenience. This is perfect for you if you want a no-fuss way to monitor your snake's habitat conditions. Skip this one if you prefer a more advanced system with multiple gauges. For $9.99, it's a steal for the peace of mind it offers. Now, if that battery life concern bugged you, the next product might just surprise you with its features. Product number 4, Shrezin Rectangle Thermometer. Next, we have another product from Shrezin, their Rectangle Reptile Thermometer and Humidity Gauge, which goes for only $5.99. I found this one interesting because it's super affordable and still gets the job done. If you're on a budget but still want to monitor your ball python's environment, this could be the one for you. With the same reliable temperature range and humidity capabilities as the previous model, this thermometer is perfect for keeping an eye on your pet's living conditions. It can also display readings clearly on a rectangle screen, making it easy to check a glance. The fact that it comes with 2 gauges at this price is an added bonus, especially since they've received a solid 4.4-star rating from over 2,100 buyers. Now, some users pointed out that it's only in Fahrenheit. Here's the thing, if you're comfortable with that, it's a non-issue. But if you're a Celsius user, you might find this frustrating. This is perfect for you if you want a budget-friendly yet effective way to monitor your snake's habitat. Skip this one if you specifically need Celsius readings. At $5.99, you really can't beat the price for what you get. And if the Fahrenheit-only issue concerns you, the next product on the list might just address that need. Product number 5. Snake climbing rings. Lastly, we have the snake climbing rings for $5.99. This product caught my attention because it offers a fun way for your ball python to exercise and explore. If you want to provide enrichment and keep your snake active, this is a fantastic option. These rings allow your snake to weave through and climb, promoting natural behavior and muscle development. The design is safe with rounded edges to prevent any scale damage, which is a huge plus. It's versatile enough for various species, making it a great addition to any reptile habitat. With a 4.7-star rating from over 100 reviews, it's clear that others find it beneficial for their pets. Some users mentioned that the rings can be a bit tricky to set up. Here's the thing, once you figure it out, they provide a unique and engaging environment for your snake, which is well worth the effort. This is perfect for you if you want to add a fun climbing feature to your ball python's habitat. Skip this one if you prefer something that's purely decorative. At $5.99, it's a low-cost way to boost your snake's mental and physical stimulation. To wrap it up, we covered some great options for your ball python. The Riare coconut chip substrate gives a natural feel, while Meffin reptile plants add some beautiful greenery. The Bstressen thermometers are fantastic for monitoring conditions, with both affordable options available. Finally, the snake climbing rings offer a fun way for your python to exercise. Each has its pros and cons, but hopefully you found a perfect fit for your pet.